It's very easy to blow out an egg and it's fun. What you need is you're gonna need a tapestry needle, sharp on one side and a little bit thicker. You're gonna need eggs, obviously. And you're gonna need a spoon, regular spoon, and wooden skewers, or if you have a cake tester like this, something really thin. And I use a clear cup because I like to save my eggs because you can eat them and put them in a container afterwards and cook them for an omelet for breakfast in the morning. Okay, so it's very simple. So the first thing you want to do with the egg is you want to put it down on the carton you have, and on the tip of it, you're going to make a hole. So you're going to put your tapestry needle on the top, and you're gonna lightly hold it in place and tap with the spoon, really lightly. And it's gonna slowly, if you can see here, it's gonna slowly start making a hole. So you wanna do it lightly or the egg will crack. So that's why you don't wanna use a hammer or something, because you have to make sure that you don't put too much force. Okay. So now it went through. So here's the hole, little tiny hole, no cracks. Then you're gonna take your wooden skewer or your cake tester and you're gonna push it down, and you're gonna break up the yolk as you go, and you're going to very lightly, if you can see down here, and zoom down, Cooper, you're gonna very, very lightly push it through to the other side, as you see. So now we have a hole on the other side, and that's where we're gonna actually take the yolk and we're gonna blow it out. So the first thing we're gonna do now is we're gonna put this back in, we're gonna move it back and forth. You really wanna make sure you break up the yolk. And you can do it on the other side too. Really break that yolk all around. All right, last little. Okay, I hope it is good. So now I'm gonna take it over my cup, and I forgot, you're also gonna need a straw. And you're going to put your straw over top of the hole, and you're going to blow. If it doesn't come out immediately, it might mean that you have a little bit of a thicker white egg, and that's fine. Just want to and we officially have a clear egg. Nice and light now, and there's your egg that you can use to make for an omelet the next day. And so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna wash these, and you can use a little hot water to sanitize, and then we can go ahead and decorate them.